Do you feel or how do you explore these areas like beauty, autumn colors, and the river sides? What's your experience? Can you please tell me some details?
Yes. So tourism is a great thing to develop because it brings like extra income, right? And here you have to, if you come to kayak around and you're trying to get around, you need to have a guide and a driver because otherwise, it's a very different ways of traveling. So it's nice because it enables like a fair tourism where you're employing local people, when you're employing like the people from the region to work as your guide. So it's nice, right? Because you can contribute to other people. And the river is really amazing, really like one of the best river in the world for kayaking. So I think there's a lot of potential for future expeditions and bringing more tourists to come and kayak specifically. There's not many destinations in the world, but the kayaking season is only like summer, right? So you have to think of something for the winter too. I travel when I have time. Normally I work in tourism too in Colombia, the country of Colombia. So yeah, I know a lot about tourism, and that's what we work usually. And we also do movies. We just made a great movie about the Indus Gorge last descent. So soon you'll be able to see it, and we're gonna publish it on international channels. So it's
Very nice.
promoting this area.
Yeah, well, just to make sure we don't get cold because the water is really
yes.
cold, so
There's
we need to be like equipped.
Yes, very good.
No, like we bring everything
From the France.
from France.
That's nice.
Yeah, but it's a really hard river. Like we came all the way from France to go on this river because it's really challenging. It's really nice. You have a beautiful river, guys.
Yes.
Thank you.
Next destination.
Next destination, we go to Gilgit, all the way through the Indus, and then we do a rest day and we go on the Astor Valley. Yeah.
You are visited Devsai National Park.
No, we are going to paddle the Astor River too. Yeah.
So you continue your drifting in Indus River from this side to Gilgit.
Yes. We continue to Gilgit and then we stop the confluence with the Gilgit River. We take out and we go in car to the Astor Valley.
Very nice, man.
Yeah.
It's good. Thank you so much. Continue.
Thank you so much.
Drifting.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
You are most welcome here.
Yeah, thank you so much. Nice to meet you guys.
We have a little channel here in just like name Devsai Urdu.
Okay.
Can you please say something about that or
About
give a
the-
message?
To the channel. It's a really good idea to promote the tourism here in Pakistan because you have a really beautiful country. Everything here it's so nice, it's so different from our places. So I think lots of people have to come here to visit and discover all the beauties and the nature Pakistan have.